What is Elon Musk hoping to accomplish with Tesla by 2030, and how does it impact the company's stock price? A lot has been said about Tesla's future, which is being led by the innovative and visionary Elon Musk. The fact that most experts and investors believe Tesla will expand car deliveries indicates that the company is headed toward being one of the largest in the world. Given these estimates, what is the anticipated price of Tesla's stock in 2030, and what are the experts' opinions of the 2030 stock price targets? By constructing new factories across the globe, Musk hopes to increase the company's sales of electric vehicles, EVs, and maintain its position as the leader in the market. By 2030, Tesla intends to have added even more buildings. The electric vehicle company expects to sell about 20 million units a year. We're talking about Tesla here, a firm that routinely beats statistical estimates, so this may sound a little audacious to some. In response, Musk said that the challenging part of making predictions halfway through a derivative is that if things are doubling annually for frequently just growing 50, then adjusting by 1 year will have a big effect on the total. Let us now examine the current situation of affairs. The stock price of Tesla, the industry's poster child for electric vehicles, has increased by 45% over the last 2 weeks to over $1,056, indicating that the market has finally recovered. After dropping near $700 in February, investors and worms were happy to see a return to a more familiar service. The shift in market sentiment away from high-tech equities was a major factor in the loss. It appears that the markets discovered high-tech equities in general and electric vehicles in particular, for a variety of reasons, despite the shutdown of its supply chain from its Shanghai facility. For Tesla, December 30, 2021 was a fantastic day. The price of Tesla increased to over $49 by the end of the year, from roughly $700 in January 2021 to $1,065, despite the difficulties and rising cost of materials. The mood appeared to significantly improve in October after record third-quarter earnings figures were revealed. Can Tesla pick up enough speed to reach Elon Musk's goals? Analysts shouldn't be overly concerned about Tesla's future sales numbers, given that the company constructed 930,422 electric vehicles and delivered 936,222 of them in 2021, a record high for the brand and a gain of nearly 80% year over year. Its sales are presently quite robust and growing since many people are still interested in purchasing one of its electric cars, despite delivery delays of up to a year or longer. According to insider projections, Tesla is expected to sell over 2,335,000 vehicles by 2021, a remarkable result for a company that was little more than a rumor a decade earlier. The Tesla stock price would rise significantly if that were to occur, and Tesla might only hit the 20 million milestone in 8 years. Even while Musk anticipates that there will be more than 4 million Tesla owners with the car in their garages, he is more focused on achieving short-term goals. This amount has been determined since the company's performance is often strongly correlated with stock price targets or estimates based on the company's current manufacturing capability, which surpasses 100,000 automobiles per month and 1.5 million annually. Remember that Gigafactory Shanghai produces more than 600,000 units annually, and Gigafactory Texas and Giga Berlin were expected to reach or even surpass current output levels. This number is probably going to be insufficient in the following months. Every year, around 2 million cars are produced. And what are the targets for price in 2030, and what do experts think of Elon's goals? Many predict that Tesla shares will rise greatly from their current level as the world transitions to electric vehicles. Elon Musk also disclosed that Tesla anticipates a $6,000 share price by 2030. As with the electric car, the shares will continue to rise. Producers will face intense competition in addition to a plethora of chances in the next 5 years. Tesla benefits from being the first to launch. Now let's examine the possible advancements that could become available by 2030 and how they can affect costs. The most important product for Tesla is the Tesla Bot, which the business is developing and intends to launch in 2030. In the future, the robot, dubbed Optimus, might be more important than any of their EVs. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, announced that the business is not planning to launch the Cybertruck this year and is not currently creating a $25,000 car. He claims that the continuous chip scarcity has reduced the quantity that they can deliver and slowed down the production of new models. If the Tesla robot is able to perform tasks that people can currently only perform, according to Musk, it has the potential to completely upend the economy. He added that labor is the foundation of the economy, even though its development might take years or even never happen. Capital equipment, in his opinion, is labor refined. If there isn't actually a labor shortage by then, what happens? Even the definition of the word economy escapes me. That's important because that's what Optimist is all about. The sole purpose of this humanoid robot is to help with tedious, repetitive tasks that people detest performing. The importance of Optimist will become clear in the following years, and by 2030, it may have a big effect on Tesla's price. The Tesla Model 2 is arguably one of the most exciting cars of the decade. A new, less expensive Tesla model than the current Model 3 might be released soon. Because of its low cost, it will not only increase public accessibility to electric transportation, but also fundamentally change how EVs are seen and manufactured. The Tesla Model 2 will cost roughly $25,000, which makes it a far more affordable option than the majority of existing EVs, according to the article. Thanks to that decreased cost, environmental protection is now further supported by individuals from all socioeconomic backgrounds, as opposed to being mostly restricted to the middle class and above in the past. Though it wasn't necessarily intended to, it is expected that the entry-level EV will be offered in both standard and long-range models, as seems to be Tesla's regular procedure. Although the Model 2's electric motor produces rapid power and torque, the model lacks performance overall. As a result, it is not anticipated that 260 times will take 6 to 8 seconds. Although it is said that Tesla's new 4680 batteries would take precedence, the Model 2 will reportedly come with autonomous driving capabilities. The 46 mil by 80 mil dimensions of these batteries gave rise to their name. They create 5 times as much energy, 16% greater range, and 6 times as much power as conventional batteries, and they are also far less expensive to produce. The Model 2 is expected to have a 250 to 300 mile range with the upgraded 4680 batteries. The nicest part is that everything is now made locally. Fans of Tesla are awaiting the Model 2 with great anticipation. The need for an inexpensive electric vehicle has never been higher due to the escalating expense of petroleum, especially considering the company's track record in both battery and automobile production. It appears that the Tesla Model 2 will create quite a stir in the market and significantly affect this 2030 price. One of Tesla's most exciting new creations is the solar roof, a roofing system that uses solar power to power homes. Its advantages, along with its outstanding price model, make it a compelling product. Despite being solar panels, Tesla's solar roof tiles look like regular roof tiles. This lets people generate electricity from the sun in addition to protecting their homes from the weather. It's interesting to note that Tesla's solar roof tiles are also far more resilient than regular roof tiles, giving your roof more protection and enabling energy capture. Solar roofs are a major improvement in the solar industry, as conventional solar panels are sometimes huge and ugly. With its far more simplified design and stunning appearance, Tesla's solar roof is more likely to be adopted by homes. One of the company's other innovative products is the Tesla Powerwall. A game changer for solar energy, the Powerwall is a home battery system that stores solar energy for use when the sun isn't shining. This allows you to power your home even when the sun isn't shining. It can also be used to charge with energy from the grid during periods of cheap electricity costs and power the home during periods of high electricity rates, saving homeowners a small additional sum of money. Apart from its